And so the brain says, the kidneys are having a problem. They're not able to filter the blood because they're so cold. Let's insulate the kidney. So our kidney is as big as our fist. It actually sits a little below our ribs, and each kidney has 1 million filtering units. Let me draw one of the filtering units. That's the filtering unit, and these are the tubules that the filtrate travels along before it gets down to the bladder and then of course is urinated out. So the blood goes in, it weaves around the filtering units, and then it weaves around the tubules. In a 24-hour period, 1,800 litres of blood is filtered.
Our kidneys are small but powerful organs, responsible for filtering waste, balancing fluids, and regulating essential minerals in the body. But did you know that some of the very things we do to stay healthy, like taking vitamins or supplements, can actually harm these vital organs? Barbara O'Neill, a renowned health expert, has uncovered surprising truths about how certain habits, including overusing vitamins and neglecting natural kidney care, may lead to long-term damage. Today, we'll break down these insights and explore the steps you can take to protect and even restore your kidney health naturally. What if the vitamins you take to improve your health are silently overloading your kidneys? Vitamins and supplements are often marketed as essential for good health, but not all are as safe as they seem. Fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, synthetic vitamin A, and even high doses of vitamin E can build up in the body because they're stored in fat tissues and the liver, unlike water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C and B complex, which are excreted if unused. When you take excessive doses of fat-soluble vitamins, your kidneys are forced to filter the surplus, which can lead to strain over time. The safest way to get your vitamins is through whole foods. Leafy greens, fruits, nuts, and seeds provide a natural, balanced supply of nutrients that your body can easily process without overwhelming your kidneys. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting new supplements to ensure they're right for you. Could your everyday habits be quietly sabotaging your kidney health? Most people don't realize how seemingly small choices can have a massive impact on their kidneys over time. Two of the biggest culprits: chronic stress and dehydration. Stress is something many of us accept as a normal part of life, but it wreaks havoc on your body. When you're under constant stress, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that constricts blood vessels. For your kidneys, this means reduced blood flow, which impairs their ability to filter toxins effectively. Over time, this can contribute to high blood pressure and chronic kidney disease. On the other hand, dehydration is equally harmful. Your kidneys rely on a steady supply of water to flush out waste. When you're dehydrated, the blood becomes thicker, forcing the kidneys to work harder to filter it. This added stress can lead to long-term damage. To counter these risks, prioritize hydration. Aim to drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily. If plain water feels boring, try infusing it with slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint for added flavor. Additionally, practice stress management techniques like yoga, meditation, or even taking short walks in nature. These simple steps can significantly improve kidney function and overall health. Is it possible to heal your kidneys without medication? The good news is that your kidneys have an incredible capacity for healing if you give them the right support. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes 3 key strategies: herbal remedies, a kidney-friendly diet, and the power of warmth. First, let's talk about herbal remedies. Herbs like dandelion root, nettle leaf, and horsetail are known to support kidney health. These herbs act as natural diuretics, helping to flush out toxins and reduce inflammation. You can incorporate them into your routine as teas or tinctures. Next, your diet plays a crucial role. A kidney-friendly diet focuses on reducing sodium, avoiding processed foods, and consuming more whole, plant-based foods. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and parsley are particularly beneficial as they have hydrating and detoxifying properties. Avoid high-protein diets as excessive protein can strain the kidneys. Finally, warmth is an often overlooked element of kidney care. According to traditional medicine, the kidneys thrive in a warm environment. Keeping your lower back warm using heat packs or drinking warm teas can enhance circulation and support kidney function. It's also important to recognize the early warning signs of kidney trouble. Symptoms like swelling in the ankles, persistent fatigue, and changes in urination, such as foamy or dark-colored urine, shouldn't be ignored. These signs indicate that your kidneys are struggling to filter waste effectively, which can lead to more serious health issues if left untreated. If you notice these signs, consult a healthcare professional immediately. Early intervention is key to preventing further damage. Your kidneys work tirelessly to keep you healthy, but they need your support to function at their best. By being mindful of the vitamins and supplements you take, avoiding habits that overburden your kidneys, and embracing natural methods for restoration, you can ensure these vital organs stay healthy for years to come. If this video was helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more life-saving advice from experts like Barbara O'Neill. Together, we can take control of our health one step at a time.